Most gardeners see fallen leaves as just another ingredient for the compost pile, but that's actually a common misconception. While it might seem efficient to toss all your garden waste together, leaves have a unique magic of their own that's often overlooked. Leaf mold and compost are not the same thing, even though they both start with organic matter. Their differences are important, and understanding them can transform the way you care for your soil. Compost is a fast, hot, bacteria-driven process that breaks down a mix of materials to create nutrient-rich plant food. It's all about speed and heat, with bacteria working overtime to turn scraps into fertilizer. Leaf mold, on the other hand, is a slow, cool process led by fungi. Over months or even years, fungi gradually transform fallen leaves into a dark, crumbly material. This isn't a fertilizer, but a powerful soil conditioner that improves texture, moisture retention, and supports beneficial soil life. Think of a forest floor. No one turns the leaves, yet year after year, they break down into a soft, rich layer that supports towering trees and lush undergrowth. This natural process is the secret behind the vitality of wild woodlands. That's leaf mold in action, nature's quiet way of building healthy living soil from the top down, without any help from us. By letting leaves break down on their own, we create a unique amendment that improves soil structure, increases water-holding capacity, and encourages earthworms and microbes to thrive. So, instead of tossing all your leaves into the compost heap, set some aside and let them become something truly special: leaf mold. This simple shift in your gardening routine unlocks the real power of leaf mold, giving your plants healthier roots, better soil, and a thriving garden for years to come. Making leaf mold is a simple, rewarding process that anyone can do. Just start by gathering autumn leaves from your yard, local park, or even along sidewalks. These leaves, in all their vibrant colors, are nature's gift to gardeners, packed with potential to enrich your soil. Once you've collected a good pile, stack them up in a corner of your garden, or use a wire mesh bin or even black plastic sacks with holes for air. The key is to keep the pile contained but still allow for airflow. Next, make sure the leaves stay damp. Think of a wrung-out sponge. Water them occasionally if they dry out, especially during hot spells, to help the natural decomposition process along. Unlike traditional compost, which needs regular turning and heats up as it breaks down, leaf mold forms slowly in cool, moist conditions, often in a shady spot where fungi thrive best. Fungi are the real heroes here. They break down the tough, fibrous parts of leaves, weaving a delicate network of mycelium that gradually transforms the pile into a soft, crumbly, earthy material. This transformation doesn't happen overnight. It usually takes a year or two, but the wait is worth it. The end result is a carbon-rich, moisture-retentive soil conditioner that's perfect for gardens. Leaf mold doesn't directly feed your plants like fertilizer, but it nourishes the soil itself, improving its structure, water retention, and supporting a thriving underground ecosystem of microbes, fungi, and earthworms. By letting fungi work their magic, you're building a living foundation for a healthy, resilient garden that will reward you for years to come. Leaf mold isn't a fertilizer, it's a soil conditioner. Its nutrient content is low, but its real value is in improving soil structure. In clay soil, it loosens and aerates. In sandy soil, it holds moisture and binds particles. Leaf mold acts like a sponge, retaining water and creating air pockets for roots. It supports beneficial fungi and soil life, helping plants access water and nutrients more efficiently. Healthier soil means stronger, more resilient plants, all without chemical fertilizers. Use leaf mold to create a thriving environment for your garden, not to feed plants directly. The best use for leaf mold is as a mulch. This simple natural material can transform your garden beds in remarkable ways. Spread a generous layer on your garden beds in autumn or winter, when the soil is bare and needs protection from harsh weather. Over time, worms and other soil life will pull the leaf mold down into the earth, naturally improving your soil from the top down. No digging required. For potting mixes, always use well-rotted leaf mold. It should be dark, crumbly, and smell pleasantly earthy. Leaf mold holds water exceptionally well and stays light and fluffy, making it a fantastic eco-friendly substitute for peat in seed starting and potting mixes. Avoid tilling or turning the soil after applying leaf mold, as this can destroy the delicate fungal network you're working to build and disrupt the natural soil structure. Also, skip synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the beneficial fungi and microbes that make leaf mold so valuable for your garden's health. Leaf mold is truly nature's gift, free, sustainable, and incredibly powerful for building healthy, living soil. So this autumn, when you see leaves falling, don't think of them as waste. Instead, see them as the key to creating richer, more vibrant soil for your plants. Let fungi and soil life work their quiet magic, and watch your garden thrive like never before.